Hi there! Let's find out more about the Healthy 365 app. Unable to pair your HPB fitness tracker? Check that the Healthy 365 app is updated to the latest version. Ensure your mobile phone and HPB fitness tracker are close to each other and Bluetooth has been switched on. Check that your HPB fitness tracker is not mistakenly paired directly to your phone's Bluetooth. If it is, go to your phone's Settings, Bluetooth, and select the connected HPB fitness tracker. Tap Forget Device or Unpair to unpair from your mobile phone. Then, turn off your mobile phone's Bluetooth and then turn it on again. Ensure that your phone's internet and location services are both turned on too. Try pairing your HPB fitness tracker to the Healthy 365 app again. If you need more help troubleshooting between the Healthy 365 app and your tracking device, visit the National Steps Challenge webpage for more user guides.